Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
What is going on? Welcome back. A whole new day, and it is the middle of the week. It is Wednesday, and a lot of things have progressed. Bitcoin broke 18K, right? Congratulations. Everybody's happy. No one's happy because everyone's like, oh, Bitcoin broke 18K, but we went right back to 17K. But no one's like, guys, we broke 18K. Like, come on. We're going places. All right. FTX can't stop us. FTX can't stop us. So, as you guys know, Bitcoin Maxi, Teddy Ganja. So, definitely enjoying as Bitcoin continues to go up. Ecobella, welcome. Nice to see you. And then the other fun one was Ethereum. And what's interesting is, even as I speak to you now, current market cap 865 billion, and Ethereum is still holding above 1300, even though Bitcoin retraced back to 17.8. So very happy to see that. Let me share my screen here. Boom, dive right into this. It is wild. For the 7 days, we are up still 5%. So if we're looking at that weekly, still happy with where I was, with where I am. And the chart is relatively healthy because we're basically stabilizing. The people that have bought in right now are holding, and whether it's, Powell, basis points, whatever, doesn't matter. Market is looking pretty steady, and it's nice to see. Then finally, right? Finally, Tony, what's going on, Tony? Nice to see you. 7 of you here. Make sure you smoke that like button on the way in. We need to make sure we grow the gang back to the original glory. Keep recruiting. Tell them we exist. Tell them we're exploring. A lot of things to do. Shibnobi Eco release date. I believe Shibnobi Eco is set to release sometime. I'm not sure when. I'm not sure actually if Cliff has announced it, but we know that the application process to Android and Apple has started. So hopefully, if everything checks out, all the audits come back, we're good to go there. CMC wrap up 2022. What the heck? Let's review your crypto experience in 2022 and share your thoughts. Nah, don't want to do that, CMC. XRP, what is going on? They're basically going mellow. Dogecoin, still waiting for it to bounce back. I was quite happy today to see it was up, and then just disappointment. So still holding on. Hopefully something happens. Matic 90 cents, still trying to look for my 80 cent, under 80 cent entry. I don't know. Market seems to be okay. I want to move from Coinbase wallet to Shibnobi wallet with all of this BS going on. Dude, 3-factor authentication, baby. 3-factor authentication, indeed. I'm not sure actually if 3-factor authentication is off immediately as soon as they launch, or if it's the one of the phase 1 or 2 releases. I don't know what's been communicated, and I don't want to give misinformation. So definitely look to the AMAs and the official Shibnobi Twitter for that information. Polkadot, Litecoin. Dude, when is Litecoin going to come back? I know a long time ago we did some research, and we are like, Litecoin and Dogecoin are linked. It's important. Oh, Monero doing pretty well right now. Monero's still allowed to operate, doing very well. Ethereum Classic 18. Where are you, Crow? 6 cents. Red Sox, you see? 6 cents still. Not doing so hot. CoinDesk, first mover, Asia, Bitcoin strong correlation. Seesaw is back to 17.8, which is where we see it now. And really, even the Seesaw, if you look at our levels on Trading View, right? And remember, we've been charting, and actually, we should probably go look at our profit margins today, see how we're doing. Matic, this is on the downtrend, right? Yeah, no, this is on the uptrend. This is a bull sign. Slightly going up crossover. Oh, I like that, Matic. Those back here. So if you bought here, you're up here now. Okay, yeah, makes sense. Um, there's actually one of the only ways. Wait, BTC USDT. Is this the one? Wait, show me this. Yes, this is the one. So if you actually look, right, that important signal that I was talking about where we're in that gray area, we actually broke uh resistance here and we're in another fun area. And why I'm excited about that 18K, that 18K is going to tell me whether, and really for some people, it's about taking profits. I didn't chart anything truly in the 17 to 14K range. I left this as a gray area. Now there's enough data. Probably some analysts will chart it, the low at 15 or and the high here. But regardless, I'm quite happy with the way it's going, regardless of what it says on CoinDesk, Reddit, FUD, random FUD we don't need right now. And a lot of people still think we're wrong. A lot of people still feel Bitcoin is going to come down and crash hard. And sometimes I don't understand why they say that, but regulation is coming. We know regulation is here because even when I'm going through this, I see this random, hey, U.S. senators, Warren, Marshall, right? Roger Marshall, um, talking about digital assets and anti-money laundering that includes crypto things. So we know FinCEN's here. They're gonna come in. We're gonna find out, what exactly is going on, and that's what this is about. That's literally where we are. Um, with crypto right now. It's just about when is this regulation going to be fortified into stone so that way we get more of these central banks, more of these um, players trusting in the crypto process. And that's just something that we're not seeing happen as quickly as I want it to happen. And really what that will be is this KYC. So I keep saying, hey, one of the main things about centralized exchanges when time comes is every deposit you make in a centralized exchange, this KYC thing is going to be tenfold. Anyone that uses um, a wallet that is offered to the public currently, if they implement this KYC rule, which we know in Europe, right? We already know if you're an international student person coming into Europe, we already know that it's been approved that they want to KYC those wallets. So if you I don't agree. All things looking nice for 2023 so far with CPI showing inflation coming down. CPI show inflation coming down. I think it's going to be another a bull run of sorts before a steep decline, which we will see before another correction. I think we still got some room for a fall, potentially another bottom, but we'll see. I'm excited. Maybe we go to 27 retrace. No one knows, but I'm excited. Papa Powell can't be too nice. If he says the wrong words, then people will start spending again. Yeah, be careful, Powell. We know what you got. So this is going to be quite interesting. This is literally uh, more and more articles coming out about regulation, about cryptocurrency. And, some people see it as good and bad. I'm in the process of now, in order for mass adoption, we need regulation. And that's the only way our bags are going to grow as a whole. Whether you believe me or not is up to you. And if you believe, Teddy, I'm wrong, I'm sorry, you're already too late. The regulation is already coming. It's already here in most places. Most other countries already are doing this. Digital forms of their fiat currencies already exist. Digital pound, digital dollar, right? And I can't stress this enough, guys. You got to be ready. You got to be ready. Not financial advice, but make sure you make smart decisions. That's really what it comes down to. A lot of fear, even we talked about yesterday's stream, right? About Binance and BNB, and nothing has really came out of that. I mean, I don't see anyone talking about Binance, anyone mentioning Things about. Oh wait, what did I do? Is this not the search? Oh, is it here? BNB. Um, Talking about the things, and it's there's nothing there. BNB USDT. So here we go. So we did a long time ago get into Binance at 289. I still hold that. I ended up not DCAing because when I got in, I thought it was a good time to get in. The indicators appeared very in my favor with the MA50 coming up, the crossover right here. But then we had the FDX, which is like that strong downtrend news, right? When you have um, news that just outweighs seller pressure and buyer FOMO, that's literally what happened. So Binance withdrawal FUD keeps going down. This is the bank run. We've seen BNB at 251. We've seen BNB at 184. You really think this tiny blip, this is enough to influence Binance to just crack down and be like, that's it. You guys win. We have no reserves to fund all the withdrawals that are happening. No, the people that are in Binance, most of them believe in Binance so much, they're in there forever. There's literally no more. Did we cover the influencer get charged with fraud? That is something we didn't cover because I felt like it was a gray area because I sometimes get clubbed into this influencer bucket. I actually don't talk to that many influencers. Like back during Sandstorm era, I would talk to influencers all the time. You know, he was really the glue that I think kept all the influencers together. It was a whole different vibe. Nowadays, you know, I feel like everyone's got their own niche. I don't really want to uh get clubbed into this. So I stayed away from that article, but we can talk about it. Not an issue. Hello, bro. Doge down 8%. I know. I am freaking dying. I'm freaking dying. It literally makes no sense. Elon, help us, bro. What are you doing? Um, we're down almost $90 in Doge. It is the biggest loss today. In reality, if I had money, I would DCA, but we're looking at XRP. We're down 242, and that's what we tried taking some profit, right? And just did not happen. So hopefully, when what we say, you get paid every 2 weeks. So maybe tomorrow we will throw in another 1,000 into this, buy another asset. We'll either DCA one of these or um, we'll wait. Can I actually show buy/sell buttons? Yeah, trading settings. Let me see. I don't want only future events, economic. Wait, what if I do only future events? It's fine. Yeah, so this is going to be very fun. I'm quite excited for this. Tomorrow will be great. We'll see what we actually buy. I'm really feeling buying more Solana cuz I think that was good. That was good. Um so hopefully the market is pretty much the same prices as it is now and doesn't go up anymore so we can get into um a good entry point and really keep our portfolio growing because that's what's going to be fun. Play sound. Oh my god, I didn't even know you could play sound. Positions, profit and loss. Yeah, money, reverse button, orders, bracket, execution, labels, extend price line. Yeah, great. Okay. BNB, XRP, BTC, ETH. There's so many things. There's so many things. B&B's basically, I feel like fire sale, dude. Like, how many days till B&B's back up to 300? You know, that's literally what I feel. So I'm like, dude, I'm just gonna acquire more B&B as it keeps going down. That's the goal, you know. And this is XRP. We're not looking at B&B, by the way. Anyone chill, pump and dump will be charged. They come after crypto one next BitBoy first. Yeah, exactly, dude. That's why it's like you got to be so careful with these pump and dumps. And who knows what people think are pump and dumps. No, I don't want to club anyone into anything, regardless of what they done. It's like if you actually look into those influencers, I was gonna look up their thing. Influencers charged by SEC. All right, so this was the article. Charge 8 social media influencers in securities fraud scheme, right? I have 31K Dogecoins. You're freaking killing me, dude. Because I need Elon to pump Doge, and I just like if he doesn't, the Doge is just gonna continue to go down. And I'm like, dude, there's no way. I just ain't doing this. U.S. prosecutors Wednesday said they have charged 8 individuals in securities fraud scheme and reaped about 114 million from by using Twitter and Discord to manipulate stocks. Right. So luckily there is no manipulation in our current DeFi space. I don't think any of my direct influencers are doing any of this. I don't think they use Twitter or Discord to do anything like this. But um hopefully we never get into a situation like this where this happens to any of us, for anyone in our space, because who knows, dude, these guys, they get money hungry, they got trillions of dollars of debt they need to repay. Like, where do we get it from? All these other guys. So this is something that happens uh constantly. So we'll see, because I feel like the amount that they're going after may not be enough versus all the other money that they could go after in the current thing, but we'll see. Um, the 8 men allegedly perpetrated to be successful traders on social media platforms and then engaged in so-called pump and dump scheme by hyping particular stocks to their followers with the intent to dump them once prices had risen, according to prosecutors in the Southern District of Texas. So it basically happens all the time, right? And this is stocks, right? Stocks, but I thought actually cryptos were in there too, because I know a few of them had chilled cryptos as well. So but SEC claiming a charge scheme in podcast, securities and fraud. Is that it? Give me more. Give me more. The individuals charged were Texas residents, Edward, Perry, John, Dan, along with California residents Gary, Tom, Stephen of Miami, and Mitchell Hennessy of Hoboken. Oh, okay. Matlock pleaded not guilty following his arrest on Tuesday. Found his attorney did not respond immediately to a request for comment. Did not respond immediately. Okay, yeah. Okay, interesting. 100 million. No, it is stocks. I thought there was crypto in there too. No, I guess it's just stocks. But dude, this could totally happen in crypto too, dude. Imagine, dude. Whether it's going to be SEC, FinCEN, or whichever legal entity wants to take over the crypto sector and regulate it, this is could totally happen to any influencer in our space. Things don't look to turn around till April, I'd say. Beetroot slow, better be careful. Get out of here, dude. Beetroot's got that Versace glasses. He's good. Don't be hating on my boy Beetroots, bro. He's awesome, man. Teddy is gonna run. I'm gonna run to the Bahamas. Let's go. Let's go. We're all going. We're all going to the Bahamas. We're gonna rent the mansion. The mansion that SBF has. We're gonna get his mansion. If we see yellow, do not cross tape. We're gonna cross. It don't matter, right? It's gonna be great. I think half of crypto influencers need to go, dude. I absolutely agree. My wife tells me every day I need to go. It's like there's no point, and I'm like, wait, when the bull run comes in. That's when I can show. Look at all the profits that we have now taken in our paper trading account. since we started in the bear market. This is the proof. But the thing is, when is that going to happen? Are we going to wait 3 months? Or are we going to wait 3 years? Yeah, that's really what it comes down to. Yes, they did both, mostly stocks. Yeah. The one influencer said, oh my god, I didn't even know that. No, they say they go after crypto next. Okay, so crypto's next. Okay, got you. Yeah, so quite interesting. We'll see. We'll see. Mm-mm-mm. I want to look at FDT just to make sure we're not missing anything that's happening, in case anything's happening over there. Wait, did I ever chart FDT? Do I chart FDT? Sorry. No, I never charted FTT. Okay, we're good. Is there a Binance FTT? Wait, there was a Binance FTT. Get out of here. FTT. No, I didn't chart it. Okay. $1.35. Boys with Klingen. You'll see. This is the bottom, Teddy. Maybe it actually is a good entry point. I wonder. Like now that he's going to jail, and the government's stepping in, will the government do a bailout for the regulation since he spent so much money on it? Is the conspiracy even crazier than we think? I wish can bet BitBoy go down first. Yeah, I can totally see BitBoy go down. I think they are going to go after these massive creators. So hopefully we're good and they continue to be here. I'm just so disappointed in Doge. I just keep looking at it. I'm just getting miserable. I'm like, what is happening, Doge? Everything is down except Doge. And of course, we know our disappointment, Crow, constantly invest money into it and continues to go down. Hey, Teddy, 60 cents is a great entry for Crow. Hey, Teddy, 30 cents is a great entry for Crow. Hey, Teddy, 12 cents is a great entry for Crow. Hey, Teddy, 6 cents is a great entry for Crow. Are we ever going to see 20-cent Crow ever again? That's literally what it comes down to. Like, when I need this. Let me see. Inside Sam Bankman-Fried's first Bahamas court hearing after his arrest. Wait, did we listen to that yesterday? Yeah, we want. Come on. What's going on here? Go. Okay, yeah, here we go. Livewire. Okay, that's the same. Crypto markets today. Yeah, give me some. Tell me what I already know. If it becomes law, yeah, well, it may not. We'll see. This is the Elizabeth Warren Roger thing. FinCEN, the act would also allow FinCEN to implement proposed rule requiring institutions to report certain transactions involving unhosted wallets where the user has complete control over the contents rather than relying on exchange or other third-party concerns over the use of crypto to facilitate money laundering and terrorist financing are frequently aired by lawmakers. Bitcoin, the largest cryptocurrency by market cap, most told. Yeah, we already know. Basically, they're saying, yeah, it went past 18K, 18.3, and it's retraced back to 17.8. We know that. ETH basically exactly the same 13. Told you right in the beginning on that latest price. I kind of like their wrap up still. Sometimes they do like good TA stuff that I've seen, and I'm like, whoa, this is actually pretty good. Crypto market analysts focus on Bitcoin's price charts, not hawkishness from Fed Powell. Yeah, 18K historically on seasonal basis. The market is not entering a time of the year of strong performance from price chart. Bitcoin's roughly 17.9 levels move the asset into low volume node region, possibly indicating volume nodes. Nothing. That's it. Yeah, boring. Yeah, what else you got for me, CoinDesk? What's happening? Tell me the crypto thing, and don't say it's about Sam Bankman. Wait, what the hell? Red Sox? We're just talking about you. Teddy, Binance US will survive. US lawmakers might do something. Time to buy Coinbase stocks. Red Sox, I would just say if you don't believe in exchanges, start moving your assets to cold wallets. I did it myself. I now have the Shibnobi cold wallet. I'm using it myself. It is great. I moved a majority of my assets into um, into the cold wallet, and it's biometric. I can see the LCD. It pops up nice. I can put my thing in, fits into my pocket, and I feel secure, right? Hey, let me in. Let me in. Well, it says so the other thing is if it doesn't recognize your fingerprint, there's a backup mode. And I'm just entering it now, and it's super easy. Boop, boop. And I go in and I'm in. And I literally can go to my Bitcoin account. I can go to my Ethereum account, right? And that's it. It's that simple to use the Shibnobi cold wallet. But literally any cold wallet, right? I even heard from the guys that have ledgers that it basically works the same way. You're walking around with the device. It's kind of nice that this one's got the LCD while theirs got what the hell? King's broadcast? What is going on? What is going on? See, you're still doing great things on the YouTube side of things. Teddy is the man with the plan, and this market sucks. But if you play it right and can make money in micro caps and put it back into blue chips at a discount and wait for next bull cycle, let's go. Nice to see you, buddy. Finally, I was wondering what's going on, and you know what? I just wanna prove to you that I did. I did. Right on, right on the. Dude, I still got Phantom in my wallet. It's staking right now. We'll see what happens. um, but yeah, dude, nice to hear from you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Let me know what you're doing. What's the next plays? I'm so ready. I'm getting wrecked tenfold here and there. Today was I invested in something called Happy Bear, and that was interesting because it went straight down, and I was quite depressed. Regardless, this will help. Thank you. I appreciate it. It means a lot. Um, but yeah, Teddy, Binance US will survive. US lawmakers might do something. Dude, cold wallets all the way, dude. Cold wallets all the way. It's quick, it's simple. And you don't have to worry about anybody because it's you don't it's yours. What MetaMask gonna make? Because think about it. Let's say regulation comes. Of course, MetaMask is gonna comply. Okay, US, yeah, most of our users in the US. We got a KYC now, boys. We're adding the KYC to MetaMask. We're adding the KYC to Trust Wallet. We're adding the KYC to Coinbase Wallet, right? Um, and people are gonna be like, "Hey, I don't want all these things in centralized exchanges." And if I interact with the centralized exchange, now it's I'm screwed. And this is the famous phrase of Teddy. But how do I use my crypto if I don't use centralized wallets to put it into my bank account? And that's the point. That's literally the point. You're not supposed to do that, right? And when you go fully crypto, you will have a crypto and crypto transactions and people taking crypto payments. You shouldn't have to worry about, oh, I need to go convert this crypto to my bank account, get it in fiat to use it. Yes, there's a lot of things that require you to use fiat, but for a lot of people, cold wallets, especially when they have a lot of ETH or BTC, moving it to a cold wallet has been people's preferences. It just makes sense. You don't know what's going to happen with the exchange, and what's the big deal? I mean, you don't have to pay a fee. It sits somewhere that you know is secure. You never have to worry. It feels like a no brainer, but we still have people that are falling to exchanges, and it's just so sad. It's just so sad. Oh, regulation is coming for exchange tokens. FTT token has shown us exchange shouldn't have coins. Crow should be abolished. Coinbase is the reason then I'm still like, okay, at least Coinbase doesn't have a token. But imagine if Coinbase had a token. Imagine how many people would just be like, I'm aping into the Coinbase token. I don't care. You know, we're going right in there. We're going right in there. That cool, Teddy. I not walk around with no wallet. It is in safe fireproof. I that is also fine. But even if you lose your hardware wallet, right? You can import your hardware wallet seed phrase into a hot wallet account, and you should be able to, depending. I'm pretty sure I'm not wrong, but if I am, I'm sorry. But you should be able to import it into your MetaMask and recover any funds in case, like, let's say, hey, I connected to my PC and it doesn't work. Hey, something broke on it. As long as you keep that private key safe, that's the thing that matters in order for true recovery, right? At King True, use shitcoin profit to buy undervalued altcoin. Let's go. Phantom, you and Bleeves. Bro, me and Bleeves are the only ones, all right? We're the only ones. We still hold. We still hodl. I know he's a staker and I'm a staker. So I am in the Phantom V2 chat. I still pop in there time and time to see what's going on. Seems like they're doing things. My Shiba Doge keep going up. Glad I didn't sell. It went from 180 to 930 now. Still waiting for Selena to rise. Wait, Shiba Doge? I have Shiba Doge, but I only have like $100 of Shiba Doge. Is it worth a lot? Wait, why am I typing here? Dex tools. Wait, actually, Shiba Doge, could it be here? Shiba Doge. Oh, I think it is. Whoa, bro. Don't look like Shiba Doge that I know. Wait, what? This is real. One second. I need to check. I need to check. I'm just checking. I'm just checking. Shiba Doge. Shiba Doge. 2.95 million. Volume 10,024 hour. That's not bad. 27.34K holders. It's leveled off basically. Yeah, I guess you're up if you bought down here. 16.5, 16.7. Dude, that's not bad, man. That's a good flip. Weekly flip. Got that weekly flip. Interesting. Shiba Doge, huh? That's the play. Dino, Hex, LY, Swiffy. LY still in here? How we doing, LY? What's going on? Okay, not too bad. It did go up and now it's retracing back down. So maybe the people that thought it was the bottom selling off. So we'll see where that goes. Volt's in here? What the heck is Imagine AI? Oh, interesting. Okay. 501215. Okay. Not bad. And it really comes from I actually volted up, but yeah, I volted up somewhere around here and now we're here. So needed to do some recovery. But we'll see. I think it was right around the time Rodney was into it and I was all about it. All right. I also wanted to check out some of the things on where was it? We were looking at helium. Was it helium? No, what was it? One second, one second. I gotta go read a telegram real quick. I remember reading about let's see. Where, 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 where? Is it wrong for DeFi project to track data? What? This an application error. I broke it. Is it wrong for DeFi projects to track data? As if it weren't enough misery in the crypto markets at the moment, DeFi enthusiasts are now in an uproar over revelations that Uniswap, the popular decentralized exchange, tracks public user data, right? And this is the most hilarious thing, people getting upset about tracking public data. And the thing is, everything that you do in public, it's called public. That's because the public knows you're doing it. So if people are tracking the public information, then you shouldn't be doing it in the public, aka you shouldn't be using Uniswap. Then Teddy, what do I use? There's a bunch of other swaps that are out there that keep you anonymous, so you don't have to worry about tracking of your usage on Uniswap, if that truly is an issue. And I thought it was funny that there's so many pushes about this. And I know I bring this up because just I think yesterday or the day before in the stream, we were reading about Uniswap's proposal with how they were going to help change the fee structure so that way they can build the uni token up to continue to go up somehow via fees. And it seemed crazy, but it's like they're doing things like this, and because they're the market holder, right, they have the majority of the audience using their application, they can, none of this matters to them. The exchange doesn't track personal private data like names or IP addresses, but according to a newly uploaded terms and condition documents, pretty much anything publicly viewable online is aggregated and harvested. And it's not alone either. MetaMask, the popular Ethereum wallet, fessed up to tracking users' IP addresses. Among the many trivia collected by Uniswap, according to its privacy policy, are public blockchain data, user preferences, mobile and browser metadata, and biographic data, including in customers, which confusingly includes names and customer service communications, along with the information from third-party service providers concerning illicit or other fraudulent activities. You see, like literally everything. That user data, it says, is gathered in order to improve the user experience of the decentralized exchange. And this is a decentralized exchange, Uniswap, right? Ugh. And to whom does it supply this data? Only service providers, law enforcement, courts in compliance with the warrant. So literally anybody that says, hey, you need to give us your stuff, they're going to give it to it. So basically anyone and everyone who might in any way tangentially involved with Uniswap Labs, the legal entity behind the exchange. The kicker is it's been doing this for years, but it's only telling users now, right? And guys, this is just swept under the rug. No one's really talked about this. This was like 3 weeks ago. And it was brought to my attention. I'm like, wait, what the hell? Like, I'm not surprised by it, but it's definitely interesting. Forever spin? Is that really a forever spinning top? How the heck do you make it forever spin? I don't know. Is decentralization a myth? Absolutely. I think now we're at the point where um, the banks that have gotten in, centralization has occurred, even in decentralization of some way, shape, and form. So we'll see what happens from here, but I don't know. I think there are specks of decentralization that exist, but it is hard to find. Other apocalyptic, apocalyptic. I can't say this word. That is hilarious. All right, quotations abound. Just apocalyptic. There we go. Okay, so other apocalyptic quotations. I can say it. I'm so happy. Abound. Just type Uniswap user data treason into Twitter search. So I didn't do that, but it sounds like it's bad. To a degree, the FUD is not entirely unjustified. DeFi says Yoda research explained to me the revelations reflects the ongoing trend towards centralization in crypto. The privacy policy, Yoda notes, was not determined by the Uniswap DAO and was instead administered unilaterally by presumably its core team of devs. So literally didn't even go through the DAO, and people did this. The core ethos of DeFi is fading and often long gone. The research mourned it's an empty facade. Fudney not dummy to buy Volt. Yeah, dude, I bought Volt too. Let's see. I just opened my MetaMask wallet. They have option to track you. I said no, F that. Fudney doesn't have any Volt. He is just a shiller paid in stable coins. Fudney is a value investor like me who invest in undervalued blue chips and altcoins. Dude, I'm an original Fudney watcher, bro. Original Fudney watcher. Started off as a mod in there. I was there yesterday during his late night stream. It was awesome. It felt good. Late night vibes. As noted by radical decentralization enthusiasts, Chris Black, the Uniswap team, once a squadron of hardline anti-establishment coders, has now been overrun by old world old guard. Bum bum bum. Among it ranks our executives from NYSC, New York Stock Exchange, BlackRock, and data tracking firm Chainalysis, as well as former Obama spokesman and Federal Reserve economist. So yeah, this is quite interesting. Quite interesting. But yeah, gist of it was they're tracking you. They're always going to be tracking you. It's always going to happen. There's no escape. There's no escape. Teddy, did you mint Zen crypto? I did. Paid the ETH gas fee and minted 420 million tokens. Still waiting on Pulse Chain to launch. Sacrificed and should have 2 million tokens of PulseX. Followed Fudney blindly. Wait, so okay, for sacrificing, they're giving you tokens on PulseX. Okay, yeah, that's pretty good, man. I hope the best for PulseX. What? How's Hex doing? Are they up? Hex, are we up? Oh, I could totally buy at this price, dude. Let me see. This is a juicy chart. I mean, a lot of people are Richard Hart fans. So, dude, this is literally like a long time coming. We haven't seen 2.8. Oh, yeah, that's not bad at all. Yeah, that's a real good entry right there. Okay, interesting. I'll have to take a look. It's either I get into Palm. Wait, by the way, I heard Palm recovered like anything since we looked at it. We should probably look at that too. Palm. Oh yeah, 0130. They're back at 1 cent. Great. Great. We're doing it. We're doing it, boys. We're doing it. We're slowly going up. We're slowly making it. We're making all the things. We're making all the moves. Guys, I'm very tired. I should go. We've been up like crazy. Sometimes, yeah, we're on the baby schedule, and tonight's hopefully we'll be able to get some sleep early. But it's been good. Nice to see you all. We'll see you again tomorrow, 8:15 p.m. Eastern, Monday through Friday. You know the schedule. You know when to show up. If you don't show up, you're letting the goons down, and we're all going to be sad. So don't be that guy. Come in, say hi, subscribe, like, do all the things. Do all the things. I really like Richard Hart Misunderstood. Absolutely. And Dana, I will say Richard Hart's Twitter life is definitely enlightening. I quite enjoy his things. But guys, I'm out of here. I got to go. And I will catch you again tomorrow. Goodbye. Stay safe. And don't do anything crazy, especially you, Red Sox. I know what you're doing.